last time he washed us.
Wow.
Wow, that reminds me of Mom. We're such good friends.
Oh, I love getting my hair brushed
by other people.
Mom doesn't look that old for being 50.
No, you're right.
Such beautiful daughters. It's like I could eat your daughter. So are we doing a French braid?
I believe we are. Go ahead and moving. Otherwise I'm just going to brush all your hair.
You know, she's just been a really good mom.
I think so too.
I look at other moms
and I think, why would I want that?
And
I'm pretty content with my mom.
I like my mom.
I'm pretty good with my mom.
I'm not gonna sit there and say other moms
Compare.
have more going for them, 'cause